So this is the main controls electrical circuit diagram. So this is the area wire, service wire, power point. So the three phase home is connection like this. So this is the main control circuit. Main control circuit is this is for the supply. This is in this case a supply neutral link, link, and fuse at the neutral wire, and so connection. So here connect the kilowatt meter, base rate, and also fuse, and also this is the electrical load. And this is a consumer neutral link. So this is for the main switch circuit wiring diagram is you can see that this one. So in this case, our main switch to low, that will be the wiring system. In this case, our cable link from the main switch to low can be the included in the ceiling space inside the plaster board, light wall, and partition inside the skirting, trunking, and the power duct. So in this case, we had to read as a 3000 across our 3x1x2. The type of the wiring system can be the enclosed. This is on the surface, partially surrounded by the thermal insulation, fully surrounded by the thermal insulation, and then body direct into the ground. So in the enclosure on the surface, partly surrounded by thermal insulation, fully surrounded by thermal insulation, and supported by the secondary wire, supported by the insulator. So this is the 3.1 the cable type, application, and the wiring system. You can read this one. Those are the review of the electrical equipment, also the electrical protection, and also the AS3000 application. So those are I am reviewing. So and the enclosure is included on the surface, partly surrounded by the thermal insulation, fully surrounded by thermal insulation, as well as the underground. It's supported by the secondary wire, and also the supported by the insulator. So those are the kind of the electrical installation system. So that we have to read that data 3x1 cable type application and wiring system as well. So then we are talking about the main switch board location where we should allocate the main switch board. The main switch board shall not be located not more than the one floor above. The swivel wiring system is a swivel wiring shall be designed to withstand any thermal and magnetic effect on the conductor. The conductor shall be run at the back of the wiring panel. Sheeted cable shall only be used with the insulated panel. So in this case, we use a 3x3x2x6 is an impact, 3x2x2x7 is a vibration, 3x3x2x is a mechanical stresses. So this is for the main switch box electrical wiring system. We have to protect those things. And also the current carrying capacity. Every conductor shall have the current carrying capacity across them with the AS and it's a 3008. Operation temperature is at level 3x2 and also the limiting temperature as well. Maximum or minimum cable size is a 4 mm square. Conductor size we have to follow the cable level 3x3. So voltage drop we have is determined the cable size so that we follow the 3x6x2. In this case, the voltage drop is not more than plus or minus 5% of the nominal supply voltage. Set the cable appropriate to the maximum demand of the load. So here will be the tutorial. So we have to do the tutorial question. And also typical arrangement of the swivel. So there will be the circuit breaker, RCDS, residual current devices. So this is main switch kilowatt hour and also main electrical load and other link. We can connect like this. So this is a connection of the arrangement of the advanced neutral link RCDs connection. So this is this diagram shows the advanced neutral link and the RCD on the main switch board. So in this case, the conjugate cable can be run at the cavity wall, floor joint, and the ceiling. Cable layout switching diagram to be drawn before the installation. Then you have to do this tutorial.